Hello children, welcome to this class. I am going to explain worksheet of poem Will the Dreamer. So 10th class English worksheets. So all of you watch video and like video and share to your friends. A small request to teachers, please share this video to your students. So all the students first of all read the poem one or two times in the exam. So look at this. Will the dreamer wake? Out in the east the jungle listens. The tigress plaintive growls in pain. The great trees here are breathing, shaking. Inside her still the new lives wait. These cubs could be the last ones ever to freely live and roam and mate. Our grandchild knows the tiger never, or will the dreamer wake. So this is the only worksheet, the only poem reading. So next stanza, far in the north the white bear snuffles, down in her lair the gleaming snow. She waits for all the lives she is making, outside the crashing glaciers glow. These cubs could be the last cubs ever to freely live and roam and mate. Our grandchild knows the white bear never, or will the dreamer wake. This is the second stanza. Next one. There in the west the song thrush warbles. She waves her nest to hold her clutch. A long wait now to find a partner. The eggs are laid, there are not much. These chicks could be the last ones ever, the last to fly and sing and mate. Our grandchild knows the song thrush never, or will the dreamer wake. So next stanza. Deep in ocean south the whale swims. Her song of birthing fills the seas. Thousands of creatures wait the moment, the solemn birth that they will see. This child could sing the final whale song, the last to make the ocean shake. Our grandchild never hears its mystery, or will the dreamers wake. In the center for a four direction gather, the faith ahead, the path ahead leads up or down. In this our last bright new world birthing, so is this our waving as we drawn. This could be our last true moment, knowing the truth our choices make. Our grandchild asked that was the moment, and did the dreamer wake. This poem, the poem written poetess by Medora Chevalier. So all the children, read the poem one or two times in the exam. Now see the questions. So here is first question to you. The grandchild in this poem symbolizes. So which is the correct answer? So first one is option A, future generation of humans. Option B, future generation of animals. Option C, future of nature. Option D, future generation of reptiles. So which is the correct answer? All of you choose the correct answer. So here is the first answer. So here is the first answer here. A is the correct answer. So all the viewers, so this is the correct answer, children. So this is the correct answer. Next one, you see second one. Dash is the dreamer. Who is the dreamer here? Option A, child. Option B, grandchild. Option C, animal world. Option D, humanity. So in the poem given, the humanity is the dreamer. So D is the correct answer. So in this, D is the correct answer. First one, A is the correct answer. So very important this poem. Next one, the endangered thrush warbles from. So the endangered thrush warbles from. So this is the correct answer. So west. So it is given in the poem. So B is the correct answer. North. Option A north. Option B west. Option C east. Option D south. So here is the B is the correct answer. So next question, you see. The theme of the poem is So option A, pollution of water. Option B, save the tigers. Option C, save the forest. Option D, protection and conservation of wildlife. So all the children, so according to our poem, so which is the correct answer? So this is the correct answer. So here is D is the correct answer. So next one, according to the poet, the tigers are option A, in list of endangered species. Option B, increasing their species. Option C, giving birth to their cubs. Option D, roaring for food. So which is the correct answer? Fifth one here. So all the children, so this is the endangered species is the correct answer. So here is A is the correct answer. Next one, sixth one. She waits for all the life she is making. She refers to. So who is she here? So option A, black bear. Option B, tiger. Option C, white bear. Option D, whale. So this is the which is the correct answer? So this is the correct answer. So white bear is the correct answer. Here is C is the correct answer. All of you check in the poem. Next one, seventh one, the thrush weaves her nest. So which is the correct suitable answer here? Option A, to hold or clutch. Option B, to fly. Option C, to lay eggs. Option D, to sell its home. So which is the correct answer? So here is the thrush weaves her nest to lay eggs. So C is the correct answer. Next one, eighth one, the child could sing the final whale song. So this means option A, they are near to extinction. Option B, the whale became one of the endangered species. Option C, the child can't see the whale in future. All the above. So which is the correct answer? So A is nearly correct, B is correct, C is correct. So here is the answer is D is the correct answer. So all the above. Next, ninth one, whether the dreamer will wake too. So which is the suitable answer here? Option A, kill the species. Option B, save the endangered species. Option C, tame the animals. Option D, feed the animals. So which is the correct answer here? So here is the save the endangered species is the correct answer. So B is the correct one. Next one, what truth should be known? So option A, rehabilitation of the environment is not essential. Option B, we need not work for rehabilitation. Option C, rehabilitation of the environment is an essential. We need to rehabilitate the villages. So children, what truth should be known? So here is the answer is C is the correct answer. Rehabilitation of the environment is essential. This is very, very essential. So C is the correct answer here. Next one, section 2. So vocabulary and grammar. So 11th one, the white bear snuffles find the meaning of snuffle. So snuffle meaning is, you choose the correct answer. Option A, to breathe noisily, to breathe slowly, to get angry. Option D, to attack on others. Which is the correct answer? Very, very important one. So here is the answer is A, to breathe noisily. This is the correct answer. So breathing is very noisily. This is the answer. 12th one here, far in the north. Write the opposite word far. So opposite word or antonym. So far, opposite. So option A, away. Option B, near. Option C, beside. Option D, along. So this is very easy to choose. So far opposite is near. So B is the correct answer. Next question, 13th one. The tigress plaintive. Write the meaning of plaintive. So what is the synonym or meaning of plaintive here? So option A, happy. Option B joy. Option C satisfactory. Option D sad or mournful. So which is the correct answer here? 13th one here. Plaintive meaning. So according to our poem, sad or mournful. So D is the correct answer. So next one, 14th one. The eggs dash laid, find out the correct word. So which is the correct suitable word here? Option A is, option B are, option C was, option D has. So here is eggs is plural. Which is the correct answer, you know? So here is the correct answer B. So R. Next one, 15th one. Section 3. So in this section 3rd, appreciation of the poem. 15th one, to free, live and roam. Write the correct form of free in the sentence. So what is the correct form here? Option A freeness, option B for, option C freely, option D none of the above. So here is the correct form is freely is the correct form. So C is the correct answer. 16th one, the jungle in the east listens. So here is choose the correct answer. Option A, the song of the birds. Option B, the plaintive growls of the tigers in pain. Option D, the roaring of the lions. Option D, the sounds of the young ones. So the jungle in the east listens. Which is the correct answer here? So here is the answer is the plaintive growls of the tigers in pain. So this is the correct answer. So this is the B is the suitable answer. Next one, 17th one. The poet is concerned for. So option A, the endangered species. B, fish to eat. Option C is grandchildren. Option D is life. The poet here is 17th one. The endangered species is the correct answer. So the poet is concerned for this one. Next one, the expression, the new lives wait. So which is the correct one? Option A, new cubs are waiting for food. New cubs are born. See, new cubs are waiting for mother. Option D, new mother tiger will give the birth to cubs. So which is the correct answer here? So mother tiger will give birth to cubs. This is the correct answer. This is the D is the correct answer. Next one, section 3rd, same appreciation of the poem. 19th one, the poet expressed that the cubs' movements were. So option A, unrestricted. Option B, lively. Option C, fantastic. Option D, not free. So children, according to our poem, so which is the correct answer here? This is the correct answer, not free. So all of you practice it, read the poem 1 or 2 times, choose the answer from the poem. Next one, 20th question, who is the poet? So who is the poetess? So option A, Imtiaz Darkar. Option B, Medora Chevalier. Option C, Satyavati. Option D, Sudha Murthy. So already you watched beginning of the video. So poetess name here, Medora Chevalier. So which is the correct answer here? B is the correct answer. So all the students, all of you watch this video again and again, practice it. So like this video, share to your friends. So very important this poem and worksheet. So all the best. We will meet next class. Thank you. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe.